Hey everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. So today I did not have time to do a plan with me, but I wanted to do kind of a haul video of different shops. I've got a bunch of sweet kawaii design, of course. I have some Simply Gilded, sweet bean plants, and a couple fun mugs and cups to show. All of this came within the last several weeks. I've pulled some of it. I think I might have shown. I know I've taken a picture with the mug and the cup before, but I haven't unpacked it enough to put it away. So I figured it'd be fun to kind of unpack it and sort it and see what I got. So let's see, we've got all kinds of goodies. Let's start with the mugs. So this is from Itty Bitty Sticker Co. Absolutely adorable. Molly is so cute. And it's the candy shop theme for the upcoming TPC planner conference in July. I'm going virtually. So I had to get this to super cute. That pink inside, how cute is that? And then this is a collab between the Penny Pages and I think KD makes stickers. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'll have to look it up and I'll link everything below for you to check it out. But I thought this was really cute. So I don't know if you can see what it says. It says, celebrate every win, no matter how small. So adorable. And it's one of these neat cups. I don't know. It just seems so summery and fun for like a glass of lemonade out, in the backyard, reading a book. Lovely, right? So those are my two new beverage containers. And then let's get into, oh, and I have pens too. Okay, sorry, it's like squirrel. Anyway, yeah, I have a couple pens too to show, which are really fun. So let's get into some of this sweet kawaii design. Okay, so I've got 3 different orders here to show. Like I said, let's see, $2 Tuesday. I'm not sure how old these are, but I haven't put them away. So, well, there you go. So here's my freebie for this term. I love it. I love it so much. I just think it's so cute. Out of office, not my problem. This is going to be me in like 8 short school days reading. I think it's so cute. Here's the May freebie, a journaling card, and then some $2 Tuesday sheets. So I needed another one of these mixed sheets with the pastel headers. Really cute. This, I think, is from the July kit. So $2 Tuesday sheets based off the July. There's that out of office, not my problem. Really cute. So these are super fun to do spreads with. Why are you all up in my grill? Rise and shine. I don't know, the suns. I mean, everything is just so happy and colorful. And it's super, super summery. So that is one $2 Tuesday order. Let's see what's in this one. This is a big one. Okay, so let's see. We've got, oh, this is the one. This was from a Friday when they had the old Kawaii kits, the overstock sale. So, and also metal washi card. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Can never have too many of these. And then washi, the clouds, happy little clouds. So cute. So summery, springy, right? These are going to be good for a lot of the year. Another one of my freebies. This was the freebie Friday. I knew my kids were going to like this one, so I got one for each of them and then one to use maybe in a spread. So adorable. And have you seen the sneaks that Tasia has done for the Kawaii kit? So cute. Okay, May freebie. Again, a different journaling card. And then these are just some of the sticker sheets. So this goes along with the camping kit. Really cute. Bubbles. Who doesn't love bubbles? Really fun, like sidewalk chalk. Also really fun. Jump rope, or no. That's, oh look, oh Simon, I thought it was a jump rope, but no, little angel wings, so cute. Happy clouds. And then the jumbo stickers. I love the jumbos. Don't ever let anyone burst your bubble. Isn't that cute? I got 2 of them because I thought that I would laminate one of these and put it in my classroom for next year. I thought it was really cute. Fun way to start the year off with a little decoration. And then the rest of that order, so I got the summer, oh gosh, is it summer fun? Yes, oh wow. Summer fun in the Hobo Week size to use in my Panichi. Isn't that colorful and cute? Look at that long full box, so cute. Okay, and then these are the Summer Fun kit in vertical. So I often will get the kits in multiple sizes and I'll use them not on the same week, but different weeks throughout the summer. And since summer obviously is coming up still and it's really long, and seriously, can that be any cuter? Yeah, I didn't think so. Really fun, big deco. The colors are just gorgeous. And look at those bubbles. I love them. All right, so that's that. And then these were the 2 overstock Kawaii kits I got. So I got the Crafty Critters. I got them both in Hobo Weeks for my Panichi because I don't have a ton of kits in that size. So I thought these would be really great, just regular anytime kits to use in that. This is the Crafty Critters. I'll just quick show you these because unfortunately they're not available in the shop. But oh, it's so cute. I absolutely loved this one when it came out. Oh my gosh, that is so cute in Hobo Weeks. And I don't have it in this size. I have it in print pression, I think, and vertical. But this is just adorable. Make time to be creative. So that's really cute. And then this is my all-time. This is, I want to say it's my top Sweet Kawaii design kit, but that is, it's really hard to pick a top one, but it's definitely top 5, if not top. So sticky notes. I forgot that these came with them. So cute. Sorry, I'm booked. And then it's just the terrariums. So adorable. I love the big deco. I will never, ever, ever get sick of this kit. It's absolutely so cute. And Frank with his little backpack. I mean, I just can't. It's so cute. How many times have I said that? All right. So that's that order from Sweet Kawaii Design. Really fun. Gosh, I have so much to put away now, you guys. And did you notice my sister-in-law was in town this weekend and we did our nails. And that was really fun. And now every time I see my nails, I'm like, oh, wow, look, fancy. They're done. Because I haven't painted or done my nails with Color Street or anything for a long time. This is Olive and June polish. And it's the white color. I have no idea if it's called white. I can't remember. With like a, I don't know. It's not the top coat. It's like a glittery kind of sort of cloudy glittery coat on it. Anyway, I really like it. We'll see how long it lasts. I'm going to try to remember to put the top coat on every other day or every 3 days. But we'll see. All right. This is, would have been another $2 Tuesday order. So I got Ciara's freebie. So cute. Oh, all of the Frank. I mean, you just can't go wrong. Another the May freebie and the journaling card. And then I got a bunch of the day on one pages because I always worry I'm going to run out. And then, I mean, I know Sweet Kawaii Design shipping is like lightning fast, but it's not, you know, next day. So I'm always afraid I'm going to run out. So I try to stay on top of it and order a sheet of each every so often so that I don't run out. So this is from the camping kit. Really cute. This would have been perfect for us today. We went to Muir Woods. It all started on a Monday. Yes, it did. And it's all fun and games until someone drops a wiener. Really cute, really fun. Little fishing Simon. That reminds me of my husband because he loves to fish. He doesn't do it very often, but he loves to do it. All right, so that is my Sweet Kawaii Design haul. Now let's move into Sweet Bean Plan. So this is the subscription for, I don't know, it's probably for May, I guess, because well, it has to be. I don't know. It couldn't have been for April. I would have put that away already. Okay, so it comes with this journaling card. That's really cute. And, you know, bookish anything is totally, I love it. Crabby, and it's hilarious because my kids saw this. I opened it in the kitchen and brought the envelope into the rec room. And my husband, ever since they were little, has done to make them laugh if they're being crabby. He'll do like a crab dance. So he just like does this with his hands and he like scoots back and forth. And it's absolutely hilarious because he looks completely dorky. And it's so awesome because it's such like a him thing to do and a dad thing to do. And it just makes me laugh every time. And they saw that and they were like, oh my gosh, it's like dad, which is really cute. It also came with a pin. And my husband now has the pin because the kids insisted that he get the pin. So I can't show you the pin. All right, so there's the die cut. I love to use these in my reading journal or my reading planner because they're bookish. And that's kind of where I use all of these kits. So this will be a perfect one to use this summer, you know, when I actually catch up in that. And then it came with 2 washi tapes too. I love this one, like kind of the boardwalk look. And then this is really cute with the crab and all the little characters. So that is Sweet Bean Plans. And then I've got some new pens from the Angel Shoppe. Now I've never gotten pens from the Angel Shoppe before. So it's my first order. And it came with this little refill as well. I got 2 of these. I don't know which one is the other one. So this is, it's little butterflies, which I thought was really cute because Oh, sorry, I'm like holding it over here. The mascot of my school is a butterfly. So it's not really moving around, but it does move around. I think it's just sort of the angle. So little butterflies. I got 2 because I was thinking it might be nice to give one to my principal at the end of the year. So this is the other butterfly. And then this one, this I think was a collab with Shine Sticker Studio. And it's just really cute. It's little dinosaurs and dinosaur eggs. And I thought that was adorable. I thought it'd be really fun to have at school. Cute colors. I like the white on here too. So new to me pen. I can't say that I have even tested them out. I don't even know how well they write. I hope they write really well, but they are super cute to look at. The last thing I have, I think, is the May Simply Gilded. I think maybe it's the April and it came in May. I can't remember. I did end up unsubscribing to Simply Gilded, not because I don't like it. I really do. It's just I have so much washi tape and I don't really use the stickers. I keep them because I think, well, maybe I'll use them sometime, but I don't really use them a lot. So it just didn't really seem like the best use of money for me. But I always really love the stuff. It's really cute. This is the pen. Super cute with the little flowers. And then the sticker sheets. Again, they're really cute. It's just, you know, I am super, super partial to Sweet Kawaii design, obviously. So, you know, most of my stickers are Sweet Kawaii design. These are not, I mean, they're kind of vinyl-y, but I don't know. I have a preference and that's how it is, even though these are beautiful. They're beautiful, beautiful stickers. I never use all these seals, even though they're really pretty. I love the little owls. This is a really, really cute kit. I don't know if I'll use it. Maybe in my reading planner. That's really the only planner where I use a ton of other stickers. Maybe in some dailies. I don't know. So we'll see. Anyway, I canceled my subscription. Here's the journaling card because I'm going to run out of space for washi and that's not a good thing. Here's the washi that came with it. So there are these. Pretty, I mean, that's cute with the little chandelier. There's these. I'm not super partial to bows. I like the Stardust better. That's really pretty. So again, gorgeous, cute. I just don't really know if it's my style. I love seeing it in other people's stuff. And anyway, we'll see. So that is it. That is my haul. Gosh, so many goodies that have come over the last few weeks to explore and to check out. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really hope to do a plan with me next weekend. I had a really busy weekend with my sister-in-law in town. She's so awesome. We had a great time. It was just a busy weekend, so I couldn't get to a plan with me, even though I've done my planners. I tried to do a bunch last week, and then I'm still working on my weekly one, and it's already Monday. So I hope you have a fantastic week ahead. Happy almost June. Crazy. If you are in education, happy summer. If you're there, happy almost summer. If you are almost there, I'll see you next time. Happy planning.